anyways, today I am gonna do a makeup video. I haven't done one in so long, and I haven't actually worn makeup in forever either because I have nowhere to go. I follow this girl on Instagram. She's also like Desi, and I love her style and her pictures so much. Her name's Sahara. She posted this one picture not a while ago, and it was like really freaking pretty, and I commented saying, I'm gonna recreate this, and she was like, do it. So I'm about to recreate, hold up, this picture right here. I'll just put it right here, honestly. Here, this picture right here, okay? I'm gonna recreate this. I'm just obsessed with this look. I don't have a nose ring or a nose anything, so I don't know how that part's gonna work, but we'll figure it out. I do have black lipstick and Ardika and some Junke, so we are gonna do this. I'm literally obsessed with this look. I love the eye look. I just need somewhere to go now, so yeah. So if you're new here, be sure to stick around and subscribe and watch my other videos. They're really freaking fun and cool, I guess. Okay guys, literally like 2 hours later, my camera died, so we're here getting ready for nothing. Anyways, you should follow my TikTok. It has nothing to do with anything, but you know, little self-promo doesn't hurt anyone. I'm just gonna do my face makeup and then I'll get on with the eyes, but yeah.
My name is Emma Chamberlain. I'm 18 and I'm from the Bay Area, California.
Oh my gosh, so
I moved to LA a year and
my face makeup real quick. Gotta ruin my beauty blender now. I'm gonna go with this. Be right back. Tell me something. Okay, you know what I hate? My nose. Like what? Like, why am I given this kind of nose? I hate it so much. Getting rid of my double chin. Ooh. Wow, everybody in this neighborhood just like grew up. We used to all be friends. Now nobody talks to anybody anymore because they're so cool. Or they're gone. Yeah. Let me scoot up. I think we're finally ready for the makeup, the eye makeup. Wow, this is blended. Okay, also I forgot I have this Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35O, and the shades are like really nice. Wait, I forgot I had this. Here's the look, and we're gonna do it. Don't ask me what shade I'm using because I don't know. Anyways, I'm using this. Actually, I'll just tell you like the color. I'm using like a beige shade from 35O, and with this like burnt pink, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease area kind of as a blending. Okay, I'm gonna take this red from the James Charles palette and just like really put it in there. This is gonna stain my eyes. Okay, I'm going in with this like burnt red, you could say. And I'm just gonna put this in like the bottom. Okay, now my eye looks purple. Oh Lord, I don't know what to do. We're about to hit some black. I love playing with black, like so nice, so nice. Let's go to an orange shade. So I feel like this orange right here is nice mixed with that. Okay, I took 2 oranges from both of the palettes I'm using right now. This is just making my eyes look pink and not orange. I have the yellow in the corner. So here's a question. Someone asked me, what am I studying at college? I'm doing right now business entrepreneurship. So in the business field, because, you know, we're gonna be a future boss one day. CEO, you know? Yeah, so I'm doing that. It's fun, I guess. I don't really know. And then she goes, P.S. Love your videos and lots of love from Spain. Whoa, Spain. I want to go to Spain. That's so freaking cool. What? Okay, now the shimmer she has is like, I don't know how to describe it. Just in a packet. Just got eyeliner. I'm gonna do this off camera because I forgot how to do eyeliner. I haven't worn that since, like, you know, sophomore year. So I'll see you in a bit, I guess. Okay, I'm just so shocked that even worked. Maybe that took 5 minutes, but like, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I don't wear falsies. She's wearing falsies in these, I'm pretty sure. So I'll just do mine. This mascara is just like my favorite my favorite thing. Like, forget falsies, I have falsies. Wow, mascara honestly finishes a look off so well. Like, what? Now for lipstick, I'm using MAC. What is this in? Retro Matte liquid lipstick. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, this is a very dark color. Like, she has black in her thing, in her whatever. I don't have black, so. If you know me, I never wear lipstick, like, at all. So this is very weird for me. Wow. Let me set my face. Set her face. But it is. Oh my god, I look so spooky. I look goth. Whoa. Hold up. Let me see. What kind of throws it off? I like the silver. I feel like the silver is a look. But then there's a gold tika. That doesn't make sense. My mom says she doesn't like my makeup. I'm sad. She knows she's bad, but she really isn't. What the freak, bro? Oh, you know what's tea? Oh my god, I just thought about this. The Ace family. That's just big tea. I'm gonna sit on this and take pics. Wow, my nose looks really big. This is a little too much harsh lighting. Amma, what's for food? Ooh, it feels nice out here. Also, I want to be more blonde. Whatever. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Ew, whoa. Oh my god, I have 1%. Amma, give me your phone. I have 1%. Okay, I'll be back to... Oh my god, this is turning out so bad. Maybe I should take pics on, like, this camera. I'll do that. I'll be right back. Let me take pics of... Guys, my camera died, but I was taking pictures on these. They are looking so good right now. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see them. You probably saw them maybe on the thumbnail or whatever, but go check out my Instagram. I'm taking more pics. I don't have anyone to take pictures of me. My mother doesn't want to do that, so you know, it's selfie game. This, oh shoot, you would think the lighting right, like facing the lighting would be nice, but this right here is really cute, and the trees in the back look cool. Oof. Yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna end this video here. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat. I just hit a mill like a baseball bat.